Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to convert PDF to PowerPoint. So there are probably some tools online that allow, some actual programs that allow you to convert this PDF extension to PowerPoint, but I just recommend going for the fast method and just using a website. Okay, it's very simple, very easy and quick, and you don't need to download any software. So guys, you can just use this I Love PDF. And for example, as you can see, we have a converter that converts our PDF into PowerPoint. So just use this. So let me just choose my PDF file. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is just a dummy PDF file from DaVinci that I'm using. It's actually surpassing the 100 megabytes restriction, which is interesting. You need a premium account if you want to convert files that are above 100 megabytes, as you can see. And then just press convert to PPTX. It will convert on the website and will give you the download to download the file that's already converted into the PowerPoint format. So it's very easy and simple and very quick. Guys, enjoy the tutorial. Hopefully it helped you out. Press like and subscribe. See you soon.